Hello everyone, welcome to my SwissP review. In this video, I will cover everything about this newly launched product SwissP, its features, how it works, its demo, price, autos, everything. So keep watching my SwissP review. So SwissP is the world's best mobile app builder that turns any website into stunning mobile app in one click without knowing any programming and without knowing any coding. So you can turn any website into beautiful iOS and Android app in minutes. And you don't need to register a developer account and don't need to get approval from Play Store. And you can also use Google at monetization to make money on autopilot, and you will also get thousands of done for you templates that you can use to make beautiful mobile app. And the best part is you will get free commercials to sell mobile app for thousands of profit. So SwissP is going to launch at 4th September at 11 a.m. EDT, and the front-end price is $17, and this is launched by Venkatesh. See, he is the top 10% vendor at Warrior Plus, and he got 5,000 plus sales, and he is a elite vendor, and he is really a good vendor. So you can feel free to pick SwissP, and if you pick SwissP through my link, you will get my exclusive bonuses worth over $30,000. Here is my exclusive bonuses worth over $30,000 and real world value. In my bonus bundle, you will get YouTube Velocity. YouTube Velocity is a software with that you can unlock, set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. You will also get MIF. MIF puts the wind at our campaign bag, glides it over 3 gigantic platforms. It is a virtual traffic on tap at your fingertip. MIF is actually discovery ad course plus bonus page generator software. You will also get Gina. Gina is a software for free buyer traffic in your chosen niche on autopilot. Includes high converting done for you campaigns to promote and monetize free flowing traffic. This is a complete plug and play push button solution. And you will also get Genobia. Genobia solves the two biggest challenges that all newbies face: how to get buyer traffic and how to turn it into daily commissions with the hottest selling offer in 2021. And another one is Cleopatra. Cleopatra is a traffic software to online gold uncovering buyers where no one else is looking. Unlock proven buyer traffic where no one else is looking for it. Cleopatra automates this profit strategy on LinkedIn. And you will also get Golden Stats. Golden Stats is a unique method to turn $10 into $215 over and over again, flipping domains. And you will get Tweetex. Tweetex is a software automates traffic on Twitter plus bonus page generator software. And you will also get affiliate marketing from all social media sites with Linktree. And you will get Forget About Broke. Forget About Broke is an incredibly unique strategy invented by Johnny Roth that gets newbie sales consistently in their spare time without any experience or without any technical skills. You will also get Nova. Nova is a Chrome extension which allows users to follow targeted audiences on TikTok, and it's a top high converting squeeze and thank you pages. You will also get Lazy Traffic Snipper. This is a brand new solution for finding and monetizing free buyer traffic. The system solves two crucial problems: getting real buyer and turn them into profits. And you will also get List Lariat, Aerial Ascension, Midas Touch, Traffic Underdog, Six Figure Secrets, Traffic Booster. 4 methods to make money with Instagram even if they don't have Instagram account. And Traffic Takeoff, the Super Shakedown, Profit Scope, and lots more. You can check. I have put my special link in my description below and also in my pinned comment. You can check it out, and if you get SwissP through my link, you will get my exclusive bonuses worth over $30,000. Okay. See, with the SwissP, they generate 50,000 plus dollars in just 30 days. Here is the proof. See, and now the SwissP works in just 3 simple steps. In step 1, you have to choose your template, and they have 30 done for you templates for you for any business or niche. So you have to simply choose the one that's right for you and you have to select it. And in step 2, you have to customize it. SwiSP's powerful, easy to use drag and drop editor gives you total control. So you can tweak your mobile app until it's perfect, and you can perfectly customize your mobile app. And in step 3, you have to publish. When you are happy with your design, simply hit the publish button and it's ready to go. The mobile app is ready to be viewed, downloaded and played with around the world. Yes, this is so much easy and it's just work in 3 simple steps. See? Okay, now I want to show you the demo. Here is the SwiSP demo I want to show you now. This is the members area, and in member area you have to go to generate apps, and here you have to put your website link. You can put any link you want to turn into mobile app. So here I have put this link. Okay, now here I have put okay, so here I have put this link, and then you have to put your app name. Okay, then you have to write your app description and internal app name. That's it. Now you have to click on this button GDPR. You have to mark it. Then you have to browse the app icon from your computer. Then I have select this icon and open it, and then you have to click the confirm button. Just wait. And yeah, you are all set. The app is ready to download. Then you have to download it and you can publish it or do anything you want. Yes, this is so much easy. Now I want to show you the funnel details of SwiSP. So the front end of SwiSP is price $17 and the downsell price is $12. And in the front end one, you will create a money making done for you store with 115 plus inbuilt traffic source, and they have 6 autos. Auto 1 is SwiSP Pro, and in Auto 1 you can create unlimited mobile apps without any restriction, and the Auto 1 price is $37 and the downsell price is $17. And Auto 2 is SwiSP done for you setup, and in Auto 2 they have done for you setup for customers and they will do all the things for them. And the Auto 2 price is $197 and the downsell price is $97. Auto 3 is SwiSP automation, and with this Auto 3 you can automate all the processing in one click using their highly intelligent artificial intelligence. And this is the price of Auto 3 is $37 and the downsell price is $17. Auto 4 is SwiSP Golden membership. In Auto 4 you will get their best money making products with a commercial license. So in Auto 4 you will get their commercial license, and the price of Auto 4 is $27 and the downsell price is $17. Auto 5 is SwiSP unlimited buyer traffic, and in Auto 5 you have the ability to steal their buyer traffic yourself to make automated affiliate sales daily, and the price of Auto 5 is $97 and the downsell price is $67. And Auto 6 is agency rights. So in Auto 6 you will get 100% white label rights to use this software and you can rebrand yourself. This is a great feature, and you will get this Auto 6 in $97 and the downsell price is $77, and that is so. SwiSP is really a great product. If you are tired of wasting hours, days and even weeks to building your mobile apps, then SwiSP is the perfect solution for you. You can now turn any websites into stunning mobile app in just one click, and you are ready to publish it or do anything you want. And my personal recommendation about this product is 9.8 out of 10, and this is highly recommended. I have put the special link in my description below and also in my pinned comment. You can check it out, and if you get SwissP through my link, you will also get my surprise bonuses worth over $30,000. So thanks everyone for watching my SwissP review till the end. Hope my SwissP review will help you to make your purchase decision. Have a great day. See you on the next video.